So here I am cruising along, just chilling, and I see this path. So I follow the path, I see this little dot way up ahead. I'm like, is that somebody on a wheelchair? Following somebody on a bicycle? I was like, hold up, what the fuck? Is that motherfucker? That's a Rascal. Scoot around or something like that. She off-roading that motherfucker, man. You go ahead, ma. You go ahead. I had to float around one more time. Look at her. I tell you one thing, she carved a path in that ground. Let me go check it out. Check it out right here. Yep, there's a path. So anyway, I tried to go see where they came from, because it's like two different ways. I know where they're going. There's a little path that runs along the outside of these woodland field or whatever. Look at that path she put in there. You go ahead, Mom.